Hello viewers, welcome to Utisam Mathematics. This is the channel created to support students in the study of mathematics. I am on the series, the 7 building blocks of mathematics, block 4, which is linear equation in one variable. If you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your. So as I said, we'll be looking at linear equation in one variable. How do we solve equation involving an unknown variable which has the highest degree of 1? So first of all, let's consider statement plus equal to 5. Basic mathematics in KG1, KG2, we were taught this way, that there is a number that when you put it in the box, you get 5. Can you guess? Yes. When 3, put 3 here, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So let's look at the equal sign here. For this equal sign, on the left hand side, 2 plus 3. So if you add these two, you get what is on the right hand side. This is a statement. Now, as we progressed to upper primary, we decided that we can make it, instead of the box, we replace it by a variable. So 2 plus x is equal to 5. And under that, we were told that if you want to find x, then we need to subtract 2 from each side. So you have 2 minus 2 plus x is equal to 5 minus 2. So 2 minus 2 will be 0, and then you have x being equal to 3. Okay, that is what we were told. So this is a mathematical statement in which both sides of the equal sign are the same. Yeah. So what is a linear equation? So as I said, it's a mathematical statement which contains equal sign, and it is linear because the highest power of the unknown variable involved is 1. So let's look at this one. The unknown variable here is x, so the power is 1. So that makes it a linear equation. So all that we are going to do is to look at the number of ways in which we solve linear. Let's take some examples. So I've titled it case 1, the method of transposing. Yes. So the first method of solving linear equation, transposing. Now this is when we move variables or non-variables or values from one side of the equal sign to another side, or to the other side of the equal sign. So let's look at the first one. Solve for x if 3x is equal to 12. Now we want to find x. So if we want to use the method of transposing, then we need to move 3 to this side so that we get x here. And when they are multiplied, when the value or the variable that we want to transpose, we want to move to the other side, is multiply another term or another variable, then you divide. So this implies that 3x is equal to 12. So you divide both sides by 3x, so cancel x. So x will be equal to 3 will go here, 4. So x, one aspect of transposing. Now let's look at another aspect of transposing. So solve 2k plus 4 is equal to 12. K plus 4 is equal to 12. Now to do that, we want to find k here. So first we need to move 4 to this side. As I explained already, ideally you first subtract 4 from each side of the equation. So you have 2k plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 12 minus 4. So 4 minus 4, so it will be left with 2k on this side, which is equal to 12 minus 4 is 8. So as we did in the example 1, to find k, we need to divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel 2, then we have k to be equal to 4. Okay, I have 3 examples here. Kindly pause the video, go through it before I continue. Now, the third one, 12x plus 15 is equal to 74. So what it means is that there is an unknown value. When you multiply it by 12 and you add 50 to it, you are going to get 74. So let's start. 12x, so we can move 50 to this side. Yes, I explained that if you want to move, if you can subtract 50 from each side. So we are moving 50 to this side, which means that when it crosses the equal sign, it changes to minus. So it's equal to 74 minus 50. 12x becomes 74 minus 50 is 24. So to find x, divide both sides by 12. X now becomes 12 into 24. Now let's look at the next one. 9y minus 7 is equal to 83. Here is minus. So to get rid of this, we add 7 to both sides. Or we move 7 to the other side. So 9y is equal to, is plus. So when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. So 83 plus 7. 9y then becomes 83 plus 7 is giving us 90. So to find y, let's divide both sides by 9. So y is equal to, this will go here 1. So y, so let's look at the last one. 8x minus 15 is equal to 55. So we have 8x. We first move this one, we transpose the 15 to the other side. Now in moving, if it is minus here, it becomes plus. Or you add 15 to both sides. And this one, 8x is equal to 55 plus. So 8x is equal to 70. So we want to find x, divide both sides by x. So 8 will cancel 8x, 70 over 8. Now you don't leave your answer in improper fashion. Looking at this, 8 can go into 70 8 times. 8 times 8 is 64. So remember 6 over. So 2 can go here. So you have 8 whole number on 4. Viewers, this is just the beginning. We are going to look at about 5 cases how we solve linear equations. But today we just look at how we move values of variables across. Just take note that when a value or a variable is one side of the equal sign and the sign is plus, when it crosses the equal sign, the sign changes to minus. If it is plus, it will change to minus. If it is minus, it will change to plus. Thank you very much for watching this video. In my next video, I'll be looking at the second way of solving linear. Once again, if you have not subscribed, just click on the subscribe button.